Hi guys, welcome to the last of my 4 unboxings in a row, and today I'm going to be talking about July's edition or my July choices from FEELUNIQUE Pick and Mix. I've talked about Pick and Mix before, basically on feelunique.co.uk or is it .com, whatever. I'll link below anyway so you can find out. It will be an affiliate link, but that's marked. Basically, FEELUNIQUE Pick and Mix gives you an opportunity to try basically, how many samples is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 samples for £3.95, and that £3.95 is redeemable against further purchases from FEELUNIQUE. It's a brilliant idea. You can choose your own samples. So basically, if there's nothing you want, that's fine. You don't have to buy it. You're not tied to anything. Basically, have a look and see if there's anything you want. Pick the samples and they'll come delivered to you, and then you'll get basically credit on your account for that amount of money. So this is my latest selection. Now I already opened this because I wasn't sure what it was. Sometimes they send a box and sometimes they send a bag, and this time it just came in a jiffy. So that's what I've got this time round. Now, first product I'm going to show you, I want this because I wanted to try what this was like. Now, at the end of the day, I think I totally picked the wrong colours. I should have had the light group of colours for this, but they didn't have it, so I went for light medium, which might be okay at this time of weather if I get a bit more colour. And it is Say Yes to Hello Happy Soft Blur Foundation from Benefit. I've seen the adverts for this. I've seen Lisa Potter Dixon's tutorial with this. She did a little tutorial when it first came out, and I absolutely loved how it looked on her. I don't know how it's going to work on me. As I say, the colours that I've chosen, it was the light medium kit that I went for, and it was number 4, 5 and 6. 6 is never good. It's going to be way too dark for me. 4 I might be able to get away with, so we will see. You get 3 sets of 3 samples, 3.0.25 samples, so even if I just wear it in the house, I will get an idea of the texture, and when I next go get my brows done I can be colour matched properly if I like it. So yeah, that was that. As I say, this was more to try the product rather than I know that it will actually suit me, which it probably, as I say, I might get away with number 4, 5 if I had a bit more colour, 6 probably not at the minute. That's probably not going to be for me, but I will give this a go regardless. And see, it's more about see what I like, see if I like the formulation basically, and see if I like the finish. So that was that. Next, oh my god, this is so tiny. Makeup Forever Aqua XL Eye Pencil, extra long lasting waterproof eye pencil from Makeup Forever. Yeah, I haven't tried a lot of Makeup Forever. This is 0.5 grams and it's in the shade Matte Black, and how cute is that? That is so cute. I'm always on the lookout for eyeliner that doesn't budge. So that's that. Apologies, I've still got gold highlighter over my hand from unboxing the pink parcel. I can't seem to get it off. But yeah, that's that. So yeah, tiny, weeny, baby size. I don't know what it is about baby size makeup, but that is so cute. It's so little and so cute. So that was that. So I thought that was a pretty good size actually. I mean, eyeliners, you can get quite a lot of wear out of an eyeliner. I remember I had a mini one and I can't remember which brand it was. So it makes me think, was it Estee Lauder or Lancome or something? It was tiny and literally it lasted me forever. Pencil eyeliners, as I say, because especially if you don't sharpen them all the time, then they're all pretty good. So that was a pretty good size. I'm pleased with that. What next? What next? What next? Oh, okay. Summeritz. Now, Summeritz originally started off when I first started blogging and things. There was a whole load of hoo-ha over Summeritz. Basically, the Saint-Tropez alternative, and it was like £3.99, £3 a tube. So literally, I bought loads at the time, used it all. But basically, from that point, the liners came on leaps and bounds. They've introduced so many new formulations. The prices have gone up a little bit, but it's more widely available now, and it's not really classed as the cheapy brand that it once was. Now this looks interesting. This is a good size sachet. This is a 50ml sachet, so this is well enough for a full body. The Velvet Finish Tanning Gel in medium, moisture rich, skin smoothing, non-greasy, even coverage, fragrance technology. So that means you're not going to smell like a digestive in theory. Right, what does it say? professional natural looking tan which glides on easily, gives even coverage, delivers powerful hydration and smooth skin, leaving a super soft feel. With no guide colour, you can allow your tan to develop during the day or night. Ideal for beginners or experienced tanners and particularly good for skin that requires an extra moisturising boost. So basically there's more than enough for a full body in there. That's quite a big, it's quite a heavy sachet actually. So that's what it is. So I'm definitely going to give that a go. I haven't been fake tanning at all really. I'm in the process of reviewing a hair removal product for the blog, and I haven't really basically wanted to fake tan while I'm doing the photographs like before and afters and things like that. So I haven't really been fake tanning, but I might start. I'm nearly ready to do that review now, so I think I might start doing that soon. And I've dropped it. I've dropped something. Right. Next, we have Laura Mercier. Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer. Yeah, basically it was concealer. I'm always looking for new makeup products to try new things. I haven't tried a lot of Laura Mercier, and this was a good opportunity, especially since you got some of the palest colours, one of the palest colours that look perfect for me. And yeah, you got 3 shades. You get 1N, 2W and 4N, and they're 3 0.15 grams, so they're just basically peel-offs. Again, you can have a look, see if you like the formulation. Even if the colours aren't for you, then you can find out if you like something and then go and be matched for it if that's what you want. So again, that gave us an opportunity to try new products, as did this. Final thing I got was the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter for a super youth glow. Basically, it's a perfection. It's like an Instagram filter in makeup. For a superstar glow, apply all over the face as a flawless filter on top of foundation if you want extra coverage. And this is in the shade 2, which is light. And this is a 1.5ml tube. I really love Charlotte Tilbury, and I wish I could own more Charlotte Tilbury, but I can never justify the cost of Charlotte Tilbury. I've got some lipsticks and I've got blush, with some of which are Christmas presents. And I've got a lip pencil, so it makes me think, no, I wanted a lip pencil, I wanted a pillow top, but I never got it. That's on my wish list still. I would love to buy more Charlotte Tilbury, honestly I would, but the prices just put me off so much. I just look at it and think I could probably buy more from Makeup Revolution or something for that. Never mind, one day when I win the lottery, I will definitely buy more Charlotte Tilbury. But in the meantime, I'll have to live on samples and try out the products. As I say, a few people have actually said to me, you always get good things. Well, I keep looking basically. And you got, as I say, you can only get one lot a month, and it'll stop you adding things to basket if you've already had it within the month. But as I say, it gives you a good chance to try things. Just keep checking, keep having a look. There's normally about 11 pages worth of things, and there's usually a lot of fragrance samples. So if you're looking for new perfumes, it is actually a pretty good idea. And then obviously if you found something you could like, you could counteract the money against it. So yeah, that's basically what it is, pick and mix. So let me know your thoughts on the items that I've got in this little package, and let me know if you've tried anything especially. I'd love to hear that. Love to hear how you've got on with things in there. And yeah, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will link to Pink Parcel below, and I will... Pink Parcel? No, that was the previous video, Louise. I'm going gaga. I will link to FEELUNIQUE below, and I'll also put my social media links below so you can follow my other things like my blog, my Twitter and my Instagram. So thank you for watching, and I will see you really soon with a video. I don't know what that will be yet, but I'll think of something. Thanks for watching. Bye.